Sorry, Rosalina, I really can't go out tonight. Girl, I am so busy.
Gotta go.
Oh, come on. Don't tell me you've never been a full-time lazy potato. The internet is full of all sorts of things. Weird things, strange things, lazy things, and thanks to our friends at Squarespace, easy things. This video is sponsored by Squarespace, and I'll be sharing with you the easiest way to make an online business and create a website. But I'll also be sharing with you guys the laziest life hacks that every lazy person should know. If you're a lazy girl like me or boy, you're gonna love this hack. This is what I call my DIY duvet cave. It's one of my favorite places to work and relax in, so check it out. All you have to do is to create this magical experience is get a duvet and place a fan right in between the cover. You'll notice the duvet will expand like a balloon and you can work, watch movies, Disney Plus like I've been watching Lizzie McGuire and That's So Raven. It has been my jam. And it's such a fun DIY idea for a sleepover or simply just a place for you to feel safe and in your own personalized sanctuary room. Then to get it out, all you have to do is turn off the fan, the duvet will fall down and bam, it's like it never existed. Ooh, some notifications from my outies. So happy to connect with you somewhere else. Oh, yay! Love you so much. Oh, thank you so much. I texted you. Oh my god. LOL. I love talking to you. Guess what, outies? Oh my god, I recently made my own website and it's going to be our main hub for updates and communicating with each other. Now, all of this is thanks to my friends over at Squarespace. It's an all-in-one platform that made it perfect for a lazy potato like myself with no web design experience to create this. I mean, look at this. How gorgeous does this look? It was so simple to use. I mean, heck, I'm even cooking while creating it. I was able to customize and organize my website in only a couple of days, literally 5 days. It offers simple tools to fit your aesthetic, and if you're a young budding entrepreneur planning on opening a slime shop or maybe selling your own DIYs, this is a great first step to get started. Not only will you be able to register for a domain and create a beautiful website with all their amazing templates, but you will also be able to stay in touch with your customers or subscribers via email where you can send them newsletters or discount codes. Wink, wink. You better sign up for my newsletters because you guys, the perks are insane. Analytics also allows you to see information about your buyers, like their age, their demographic, so you know where your audience is, which I always love to know. And if you're stuck at any point, there is always 24/7 email support ready to help you out, which I highly appreciate. I had an awesome time using Squarespace, and trust me, I'm not very savvy when it comes to creating a site, and honestly, I'm just a lazy potato. I'm just so proud of this site. So if you're also a lazy potato, comment below all hail Squarespace and sign up now by using my link below and get started with creating your site today. Check out Squarespace for yourself by going to the link here for a free trial. Save 10% off your first purchase by using squarespace.com/nataliesoutlet. And thanks so much again to my friends at Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Well, that was easy. Oh, but what isn't always so easy is cooking. Yikes, I think I just burned my food. So if you're a clumsy human being like myself and your food always gets burned, fear not, you won't be scrubbing your life away trying to get this gunk off the pan. All you have to do is get some baking soda and hydrogen peroxide, let it sit for 10 minutes, and now you can literally wash it away so easily. All you have to do is splash some water on top, put a bit of soap, and bam, you are done. Spotless. If you're a true lazy potato like me, you will most definitely have your favorite snack by your bedside. Ugh, this is so cold. Ew. Avoid eating cold foods and get yourself a candle warmer. Yep, you heard right. This will instantly heat up your food without you having to get up or worrying about burning your place down. All you have to do is place a sauce, soup, or a cold drink on top, wait about 30 seconds, and your snack will be nice and cozy like you like it. Oh, hi, Jupiter. And hello. Ugh. What was that? Oh my god, no, this is not real. What? Oh my god, it's real! If you're dealing with some unwanted hair but don't have your friendly tweezers around, grab 3 coins of your choice, stack them together just like this, and put 2 of the coins forward just like that. Now you have yourself some DIY tweezers. Now you're gonna shock yourself at how good these tweezers are. Honestly, it might be even better than my own tweezers, and bam, look at that. If you love staying comfy but aren't feeling cute in your sweatpants, here's a simple DIY fashion hack to make your comfy clothes a little more stylish. Take a rubber band, fold up your pants like so, and then fold it over the rubber band and flip it. Do the same thing to the other side and you will instantly have yourself some cute joggers instead of sweats. You can use this simple hack for any other pants that you need a little pick-me-up. Wait, is that a hole in my pants? Yikes, let me change real quick. Alright, that's more like it. Now, if you notice that your pants are a little bit too big on you, fear not. No need to go spend extra cash on new pants, especially when you have your favorite ones. So just take the button on the pants, slide it through the belt loop, and then just button them up like you normally would. It's super simple and your favorite pants will still remain your go-to piece. Perfectly, again, without the need for any sewing or craft magic. If you're having trouble with your shoelaces getting all tied up in knots, don't waste any more of your precious time or risk breaking a nail. Instead, use a bobby pin. Tuck it through one side and then put the other bobby pin on the opposite side and direction. Now pull from both sides and ta-da! Your knotted shoelaces will be untied in seconds. If you love staying on top of all your to-dos, here's a great hack to help you be more productive anytime that you have repetitive tasks. So print out a list of what you typically have to do throughout the day. For example, for me, it's preparing for Vlogmas, so definitely go check it out on the vlog channel, taking out the trash, finishing laundry, and then just take some binder clips to help you know what task you've completed. It's a really fun and effective way to never forget your daily to-dos. If you want to store something away or pack something, for instance like makeup brushes, but the object doesn't quite fit inside, here's a really cool DIY hack to fix your problem. Take another baggie, flip it around, and then connect the two sides up together. I don't even know how this works and why I never even knew about this hack until now, but it's genius and will save you so much time and money from having to buy multiple sized baggies. Thank you so much to Squarespace once again for sponsoring this video. Whoa, that's a lot of text. Oh my god, all my outies are messaging me. Oh. Did you catch my phone number throughout this video? If you didn't, go look again. I left this towards the end of this video just so my real outies see this. Yep, it's really me. You guys can actually text me right now using that number. And I'll be doing a little shout out on Instagram, showing you guys the conversations, talking to my outies, having an amazing time. Can't wait to talk to you. Oh my god, girl, that is a good video idea.